TOMLOV TM3K 3D Max 3D Digital Soldering Microscope 10.1, Screen, Magnetic Dual Lens, Flex Arm. Discover precision and clarity in every detail with the TOMLOV TM3K 3D Max, a professional-grade 3D digital microscope designed for soldering, coin inspection, jewelry work, PCB repair, watchmaking, and more. Packed with advanced features and hardware, this microscope brings your work to life with life-size clarity and ergonomic design. Checkmark key features 10.1-inch IPS 3K UHD display. Large bright display with ultra visibility reduces eye strain. Crisp image quality, vibrant colors for inspecting small components. Magnetic dual lenses, wide and long distance, swap between W, wide-angle lens for full-frame views, coins, jewelry, insects, and L, long-distance lens for more workspace and precision on PCBs. The magnetic design makes lens swapping fast and tool-free. 3D side viewing and 360 degrees rotation. Enables side viewing, allowing you to observe solder joints or components from multiple angles, which is crucial when dealing with precision repair. Full 360 degrees rotation for better compositional alignment and ease of use. Flexible arm stand with multi-screen support. The articulating gooseneck action arm lets you position the microscope exactly where needed, vertical, horizontal, tilted, etc. Triple display options. Built-in IPS screen plus USB output plus HDMI output, which gives you flexibility for big screen monitors or detailed documentation. Illumination and ergonomics. Gooseneck LED light for targeted illumination to reduce shadows and glare. Comes with a repair mat and suitable accessories to protect workspace and parts. High magnification and wide angle of view. Magnification up to tilde 2000 times for minute details. Real angle of view around 178 degrees, giving you a wide visual field. Accessories and storage. Includes 64 GB memory card for capturing images, videos. Sturdy metal body construction for durability. Gear technical specifications and use cases. Aspect specification, use. Resolution 3K UHD via built-in screen. Photo capture approximately 38 megapixels, depending on 3K, marketing resolution. Magnification range up to tilde 2000 times for fine detail. Wide-angle view for overview work. Goliath Plus 1. Connectivity HDMI plus USB output for external displays or PC integration. Power 5 volts input typical, cable powered. Ideal for PCB repair, soldering work, coin and jewelry inspection, microelectronics, watch repair, hobby crafts, collectibles. Bullseye. Why it's great. It merges versatility with precision. Being able to switch lenses, rotate, and see from multiple views means less repositioning and more efficient work. The large 10.1 screen plus external display support helps avoid eye strain and makes it easier to see fine detail. Built for both hobbyists and pros who need reliable digital microscopy and repair tools. Accessory bundle, repair mat, memory, flexible stand, illumination, gives you everything needed for serious work without needing extra purchases.